This is a full lace unit, okay? Full lace box braid unit in 40 strands, showing you guys how I installed and styled my full lace box braid units, okay? So you guys do not go nowhere. Keep watching. Hi Jenny lovers, how are you guys doing today? So I am back again, but this time around I'm here to show you how I installed my full lace braided wig. Yes, so full lace braided wig in 40 strands, you guys. This video is going to be a very short one because I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like and how I installed it, because some people would be wondering after my last video. Some people would be wondering, oh wow, I would love to learn how you install this hair. I would love to learn, what do you use, what do I need, do I need something, so do I need so many things to be able to install it myself, can I do it myself and all that. And you already know this is a DIY channel. I have to teach you guys how to do it, okay? Even if it seems you do not have the every item you need, like all the materials you need to be able to fix a frontal or a 360 hair, you can make do with what you have, just like I'm doing right now. So you guys, as you can see right here, I had to apply the, what's it called, the got to be spray gel on my head, like the edges of my hair. I wanted to wear a cap, okay, but I decided I wouldn't wear that cap because it's a black color cap and it's going to alter the the color of my lace. So I decided not to wear it. I decided to install it directly on my head, on my scalp, okay? So here you're going to see me cutting up the excess of the lace in front. Yeah, you need to do that, but before you cut it off completely, you need to have glued the lace to your edges, okay? So you cut, when you want to cut the lace, you cut it using the shape of your forehead, using the shape of your hairline, using the shape of your edges. You don't just cut your frontal like that. You have to install it, glue it like this, make sure that it's perfectly glued to your edges, and then you can cut it, the excess off. But before you do that, there's a proper way to do this, but I wasn't ready for this video. I just needed to fix it anyway. So I used the little piece of scarf I had. After spraying my glue spray, I had to use that little piece of scarf to hold it in place, and then I used my blow dryer to dry it off, because you have to let it dry off, okay? I may not have shown everything in the video, but yeah, that is what this voice note is for, to explain to you as much as you're watching it, okay? So you guys, after I had sprayed my glue spray, okay, and then I held on to the lace. Now the lace is properly sitting on my edges, sitting on my forehead, like it's properly sitting there. Now even if you drag this hair, it won't come out because I have properly secured it, right? So now it's time for the baby hairs. You guys, I'm not a fan of baby hairs, but for this hair I must do it. I'm not a fan of baby hairs. I prefer to wear my frontal to the back, but you see this hair, it requires you set your baby hair straight, and that's exactly what I'm doing right here, okay? So you guys, sorry about me holding the mirror in front of you. It's just for me to be able to see what I was doing, and then I took time to look at the camera and admire myself for a while, because baby girl was looking so hot, and yeah, I know I was doing a good job. So here, after cutting my baby hairs, I discovered that it was so long, like it was excess for me. Some people like theirs to be full and long, but I wanted mine to be scanty, like very scanty, making it look so natural, So yeah, I needed to trim it all over again, like make it shorter and make it a little bit more scanty. And that's exactly what you saw me doing here. You can do this with the help of a brush or whatever you want to use. So I used the brush, and yeah, the brush gave me exactly what I wanted. Okay, so hope you enjoyed watching this video. If this video is helpful and was helpful to you, you guys, let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and do take care of yourself. Bye.